In this video, we will show you how to set print area in Google Sheets. When you want to print the document in Google Sheets, it will be print all the data look like this. And actually, you can set the print area in Google Sheets. There is a few methods. I will give you 3 methods and you can choose a suitable method for you. Of course, the first method and the easier method is using selected cell like this. You can select the cell before click print, okay? And if you click print, you can select the selected cells option and only selected cell will be print here. It's similar to set print area. And the number second is using pick bricks. Okay, when you print the documents, you can set the pick brick here. For example, you can using custom pick bricks and click edit. And in here, the custom pick bricks is similar to set print area in Microsoft Excel. If you remember, in Microsoft Excel, have also the menu or features like this. When you creating a pick bricks, it will print what you set here. For example, if look like this, it will print from this and this and this, and will be 3 part. Okay, you can see 1 2 3. Okay, and if you set again look like this, it will also in 3 part 1 2 3, you can see, but with the different data. And with this you can set suitable for you, of course. Okay, and the number 3 or the last steps to set print area, actually it's very easy if you don't need the other data except for example this data here. And to do that, you can just click the column you want to use, the last column, because we need to just print this. Okay, so we need to hidden this column to the right. In here you can click Ctrl plus Shift button and plus right arrow on your keyboard, and it will be selected all the rest of the column in the right. And you can click or right click and choose hide columns. So your column will be look like this. And you can click view and hidden the grid lines if you want also. And if you want to print these documents, you can see there the column on the right will be not be printed. And that's all tutorial how to set print area in Google Sheets. Hope this video helpful for you.